Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new Next Beauty game-changing beauty box. Next Beauty names that this beauty box pays tribute to all of the icon names that have helped us to achieve a flawless look. The box is retailed for £20 and worth over £75. The beauty box is filled with 7 products. This time we don't have any full-size products, we will get only travel size and sample size products. Okay, beautiful people, let's find out which products will change our life in a good way. First we find a hair care product from a brand that I like a lot, Philip Kingsley, Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment. This hair treatment is packed full of hydrolyzed elastin, a protein that deeply penetrates the hair and increases the hair elasticity. I tried this hair treatment in the past and yes, it's a very good product. It leaves the hair smooth, soft and shiny. The second product that we find is from the brand Emma Hardy, the Moringa Cleansing Balm. This cleansing balm is perfectly balanced, cleanses deep the pores, moisturizing and calming all skin types. As usual, I will insert on the screen the size of each product that we find. The third product from the beauty box is from a great brand, is from Dermalogica, Daily Microfoliant. Ramp up your skin's radiance with this called Exfoliating Powder. It works to gently polish the skin to perfection and helps balance an even skin tone for brighter, smoother looking skin day after day. I tried this exfoliating powder and it's great, cleanses the skin well, is gentle. I didn't use it daily, even if Dermalogica claims that can be used daily. It's an exfoliating cleanser, so I prefer to use it only twice per week. The fourth product we find a well-known product to us. It's from Lancome. The Amazing Face Serum, Advanced Genifique Serum. Boost radiance, brighten skin and nourish your complexion from deep with this glow-giving super serum. The nourishing hyaluronic acid formula draws and locks moisture into the skin to ensure longer-lasting hydration. I love this face serum from Lancome. It's hydrating, it's nourishing with the skin. The formula is lovely too. It's absorbing fast into the skin. Only good things about it. The fifth product from the beauty box is from Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Night Cream. Infused with antioxidants and avocado oils, use every evening after cleansing to wake up to firmer, plumper skin. This ultra-luxurious, moisture-rich night cream is clinically proven to help increase oxygen levels in your skin, ensuring you wake up glowier than ever before. I tried this night cream and I love it. It's nourishing, it has a lightweight formula that sinks easy into the skin, very good face moisturizer. The sixth product that we find is from the brand Clarins Beauty Flash Balm, Tightening and Radiance Boosting. Instantly hydrate, brighten and tighten the skin with this called Classic Moisturizing Cream, a multitasking product that can be used over your daily moisturizer or add a few drops to liquid foundation or even can be used as a nourishing face mask. In the past I tried the Clarins Beauty Flash Balm, but I know that they updated the formula. I need to try it to make an opinion about it. The last product from the box is a makeup item. It's a mascara from Benefit, Roller Lash Curling Mascara. There's no need for an eyelash curler with this seriously impressive mascara. The clever hook and roll brush coats every lash in its wide eye, curling formula leaving you with instant wow lashes. I tried this mascara in the past and it's pretty good. The wand is exactly how I like. It's carved with silicone bristles. The only thing that I didn't like in this mascara is that it's transferring under the eyes. Okay guys, we unboxed the Next Beauty game-changing beauty box, and to be honest, I do like it a lot because couple of products from this beauty box I tried and they are really good. I think it's a great box, the price point is good Maybe if we had a full-size product inside was even better. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!